docked, you may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your personal belongings, and please be careful when opening overhead compartments. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any